Promoting a culture of trust between public safety officers and the residents they serve is extremely important in Fairfax County. The citizens group, Communities of Trust, works to enhance a healthy relationship between the police and the communities across Fairfax County and beyond. Let's take a look at their great work and find out how you and your neighbors can play a role in fostering that trust.
The phrase public safety evokes images of firefighters battling a blaze, police officers enforcing the laws of our roads, or sheriff's deputies issuing a subpoena. But it's not limited to just fighting fires or keeping the community safe. Public safety agencies can also have a lasting and positive impact on the communities they serve. Recognizing the importance of fostering these positive relationships, Fairfax County recently formed the Communities of Trust Committee.
The Communities of Trust Committee was established in December 2014, right after the riot in Ferguson. Our mission is to help build relationships between law enforcement and the communities, to help educate individuals about the different programs that Fairfax County has as it deals with the youth. We found that a lot of the problems that kids have with law enforcement is because they don't really know them. So we figure if we can get law enforcement more involved with the children at an early age, it will prevent them from getting in so much trouble. But it also could help them make a decision that they might want to become a police officer or sheriff or fireman. So these are some of the things that we're doing. We identify different programs that we have already in place. We partner with other organizations who have programs. And then we establish new programs if something we need to do is not already established.
This diverse group includes representatives from police, fire, and sheriff's departments, the Virginia State Police, as well as faith communities and citizens groups.
I'm actually came to this because I'm associated with the Coalition Asian Pacific Americans of Virginia, and this is a coalition umbrella group of many organizations. And so I think that what we want to do is bring in as many people we can to come in here, understand what the County of Fairfax and our first responders are trying to do, the difficulties they encounter. That I think is something we have to understand as a community, but also our first responders to understand how should they interact when they do respond to a community call.
We've had several community forums, and the community forums, the focus is to have the community engage with the police department, what we need from them as a community to help ensuring that there is safety within their community, what they need to help us do.
I've been involved with the Communities of Trust since April of 2014, and I've seen a number of areas where there's been some very positive community involvement. I've been to the Gum Springs Community Center and saw activities that took place there. I went to Hagel Circle, which a huge array of activities took place. They had the police department, fire department, the bike patrol people. They had events for kids to draw and color inside the community center. It brought the whole community together for this one event, which I thought was very positive.
The hope is that we can roll this out into other cities, go into other cities with the FBI, police department, whoever, and put a program in place similar to Communities of Trust for them, so we wouldn't have another Ferguson or another Baltimore. And they will have an opportunity to reach out into the communities. So the purpose here is get in front of the problem, not behind it.